we want to welcome you to Mölnlycke's state-of-the-art Biogel manufacturing facility and center of excellence for glove production in Kulim High-Tech Park in Malaysia. Innovation isn't only in the gloves themselves, though. Innovation also makes Mölnlycke's glove manufacturing process more sustainable, in alignment with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We strive to be a corporate citizen that has a positive impact on both people and the planet. We work towards this through optimizing energy use, reducing our greenhouse gas emissions and resource use, and our initiatives to maintain a safe, healthy, engaging, and inclusive working environment. Our greenhouse gas emission reduction targets have been independently validated by Science Based Targets initiative. One commitment is to reduce absolute Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2030 from a 2021 base year. We are over halfway towards this target. We have completed a life cycle assessment on Biogel gloves. This provides a clear focus for further innovation to continually reduce Mölnlycke's environmental impact. We create employment for our 100% local Malaysian operational workforce from diverse backgrounds, and we actively participate in global and local community support initiatives. Working actively to bring you the best possible protection for your hands, we're in relentless pursuit of improvements and innovations that deliver quality, safety, and comfort to Biogel glove users. In doing so, we aim to deliver positive employee experiences for employees who make Biogel gloves, and, by extension, be an organization committed to delivering measurably more sustainable conditions from an environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, perspective.